Assalamu alaikum friends from Switzerland. Today I am out here walking in the small village and all of a sudden I thought something to share with you people and to share what I am thinking right now looking at these beautiful trees, the mountains in the back and listening to these voices of the nature. You know what I'm thinking about when I saw this beauty, all of a sudden last three ayah of Surah Al-Hashr start playing in my mind. So beautiful, incredibly beautiful. When we look at nature like this, like the naked beauty of the nature, we realize that why Quran describe Allah the way it does. Subhanallah. In our daily routine, like you might have observed that when we look at when we live in the cities, when we walk in on the roads, we see big buildings, we feel that as everything is man-made, right? But when you look at the nature, these majestic mountains, the trees, and then you really realize that how majestic our Allah is Al-Malik, Al-Qudus, Al-Aziz, the Almighty, the Pure. When you look at this creation, at this beauty, you realize how beautiful He is and how He loved the beauty and how He created this beauty. And you say, Subhanallah. Each and every name of Allah is beautiful. And indeed we believe. But you know, when I look at these mountains, this flowing water, the names that hit me the most is Al-Khaliq, Al-Bari and Al-Musawwir, the creator, the evolver and the fashioner. Look at the last one, like the fashioner, Al-Musawwir. It seems that like each of these leaf is fashioned with specific intent. There are no accidents, there are no mistakes in this wilderness, and there are no accidents in your life either. No accidents in our lives either. Beautiful. Alhamdulillah. For it's true that whatever is in the heavens and earth is exalting Him. Looking at the nature, listen to these beautiful noises of the birds. I believe and I realize that these trees and these mountains, everyone is in the state of worship. They are in perfect harmony. But the question which I am asking today myself and also you, are our hearts doing the same? We come, like we human, we rush to places like this for peace, but these three verses of Surah Al-Hashr tell us that true peace, As-Salam, is actually one of His names. He don't We don't find peace in scenery. We find in the one who created it. Wallahi, find it in the one who created it. My Allah, my Rahim, Kareem, Rab. Just a message for today. If you are also feeling overwhelmed by the noise of the world, take a moment today. Read the end of Surah Al-Hashr. Let those names wash over you. And I'm sure you will find the peace that I'm experiencing now. I will leave you and I will continue my walk. and we'll just listen to the tasbih of this forest for a while. Jazakallah khair for joining me. Don't forget to hit the follow button before I say Khud Hafiz, and see you soon. Fi amanullah.